Disable Google Chrome Session Restore functionality. Chrome offers to restore the last session when it did not shut down properly. Power outage, Chrome crashed. How do I disable that? Setting or command line switch. I'm using a batch file that starts, among other things, Chrome in kiosk mode for a single page on Windows startup. Even after power outage etc., it should only launch that page without the ruckus.
I know this is old, but I thought it would be helpful to others that may come across this. I had this issue and tried the flag settings, but that did not help. Adding incognito to the command did resolve the issue. I tried this in various fashions of crashing Chrome and pulling the power to the PC. In all tests the system would power up and go into kiosk mode without the frown face error message.
Try this line: old, new. For more detailed information, this URL.
I see some inconveniences in the solutions provided. Incognito switch removes cache, what is pretty bad in most circumstances. Copy-pasting Chrome help. Google Chrome has hundreds of undocumented command line flags that are added and removed at the whim of the developers. Disable session crashed bubble depends of which version of Chrome are you using. The most actual version v39 doesn't have this setting allowed. The solution I did was to alter the user profile and overwrite the crash status to a normal close status. It's a simple hack that works perfect. This is the script I run in kiosk mode in a Chrome-only session under Ubuntu 12.04 and 14.04. It simply finds and replaces the string. Exited underscore cleanly, false. Exit underscore type, crashed. With exited underscore cleanly, true. Exit underscore type, none. So, no matter how Chrome has closed, it will always think it has closed gracefully. Tested in many Chrome versions.
Try this? Go to Chrome column//flags/. Then click Enable on the link that writes, Disable Better Session Restore. I hope this helps.